What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin Whitney Auto Design, and today we're going to be removing the factory OEM steering wheel on this Lexus GS. Stay tuned. So for this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a 19mm socket. We recommend using an extension, making it easier on you. You also need a clip remover, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead tip. All right, so always think safety first. First thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. All right, so this is when you get your 10mm socket and just loosen up your negative. Once it's nice and loose, just take it off. All right, once the battery is disconnected, time to remove the old puppy out. Get a small flathead screwdriver and look for this little panel here. In the panel here, you're gonna see a nice little slot where your flathead screwdriver fits in, and you just clip the panel out. So once you find the little slot, put your flathead screwdriver in there, twist, it comes right out. Once you do one panel, go on the opposite side, and then do the same thing for this panel. So by removing the panels, you're gonna expose 3 clips. There's one on this side on the top, one on the bottom, and then the other one on the other side. Just get a flathead long screwdriver, and this is gonna help you push the pins. Once you located the pins, just push the bottom one up, just like so. Once you do the bottom one, then you do the top one, and just push this one to the side, just like so. So once all the pins are moved, you're gonna see the airbag get loosened, and you do the same thing for the other side. And the airbag should come right off. So essentially what we did is, this pin right here with the screwdriver, we moved it to the side. This pin on the bottom, what we did is just moved it to the top. And then this pin on the other side, we moved that one to the side as well. And that loosened the airbag. Now get your flathead screwdriver again. You're gonna pop this up. The same thing with this side. Once they're popped up, just take them off. Once the 2 clips are off, then just remove your ground, and this one is just by taking it off. Once the airbag is off, you're gonna see a 19mm nut in there. Get your socket and just loosen it up. Once you remove the nut, you wanna mark a straight line off through the center of the steering wheel. And we're just gonna use a pen real quick, and it just gives us an idea where the center of the steering wheel is. So now the hard part. This is when you eat your Wheaties, your spinach, and you just pull like hell. What you do is just side to side, up and down, until it comes off. So now what we're gonna do is remove this wiring harness, and this is just a clip. Just press this down, and it comes right off. Now we're gonna remove the bottom harness, and the same thing. What we do is we just get a flathead screwdriver, press this in, and take it off. Once all the harnesses are unclipped, the steering wheel slides right off, just like so. So now that the steering wheel is out, we're gonna have to take off all the controllers and just use your Phillips screwdriver or drill and remove all the Phillips screws that you see. Once the screws are out, first thing you want to do is remove your cruise control. That comes right off, just like so. Now you flip the steering wheel around, and you take out the 2 back screws. That exposes the 2 screws that hold the paddle shifters in place. So we're gonna do the same thing here. So once the shifters are out, then this black piece comes right off. So that gives way for this. So now you can access the controllers, and this is just pushing them out, just like so. All right, so this is when you grab your clip remover, and you're just gonna remove this clip right here, just like so. All right, guys, hope this clip helped. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you again.